We got a 68 GT California Special. Absolutely gorgeous car. Got a big old 390. Big block. Power stand. AC going back on it. Nowhere. Just a little bit on the armrest. Just discoloration. Seats. Absolutely perfect. Untouched beauty right here. Got the headliner still intact. Not sagging. Rip here or there, but otherwise than that, it's in immaculate shape. Console's really nice, still kind of put together. We got the here or there, but I'm sure somebody used that as a, cooler. Original 8-track car. Wonder if that still works. She's showing 60,000 on the dash, and I'm saying according to the seats and the wear and tear in here, I'd say that's about right. Not 160, that's 60. Big old engine to fit the Mustang, but they did it. Let's see if she'll fire off. I guarantee it. She'll do it. It takes a little minute, but she'll do it. Breathed on it that time. And went. Super quiet for a big block. Smooth running car. Great for a grocery getter or a show car. If you're into that sort of thing. Not too bad. Me, not so much. I don't like them shiny ones. Yeah, I like mine. Ain't nothing like an old hot rod you ain't scared to scratch the paint on. Cause you ain't got no paint. But don't worry, Dan. She's ready for No Name Nationals. I'll see you in September.